Are you ready to kickstart your programming journey? In this video, I'm revealing the top 5 essential tools every beginner programmer needs to get started and level up their skills fast. Tools that also I use every day to stay productive and efficient. Hi, my name is Magdalena. A few years ago, I made a career change into IT. Nowadays, I work in IT project management for a global company. On our channel, you will find coding vlogs, step-by-step tutorials, and lots of motivation to start coding and stay on track. Let's get started. Let's start with the documentation tools. A good documentation is essential. It helps preserve knowledge and makes information available for the whole team and your stakeholders.
For example, one of the lead developers might suddenly leave the company, or an important team member could fall ill for several weeks. Thanks to good documentation, their knowledge won't be lost, but will remain accessible to everyone. It's also useful when new team members are onboarded or when you need to gather information about existing systems for the development of a new feature. I personally use Confluence daily to document the progress of my projects, to describe new functions or features, or to provide user guidelines.
Think of Confluence as an internal wiki for your company. It's a central data knowledge base where all teams collect important information about projects, processes, and best practices. Anyone with permission can access it, add content, or update it.
In Confluence, you can create your own spaces. These are separate areas that contain a collection of pages on a specific topic or project. To save time, you can use a variety of pre-made templates like meeting notes, product requirements, project plans, and more. A real-time editing feature allows multiple users to work on a page simultaneously. There are also various macros that can be integrated, versioning to track changes, and the option to revert to previous versions if needed. Also, the integration with ticketing systems is really helpful. For example, you can insert Jira tickets directly into Confluence pages to ensure a seamless connection between documentation and task management. But there are, of course, other tools you can use as well, like Notion or Google Docs.
Communication tools are just as important in everyday work. They allow quick, direct communication within the team and ensure that everyone is up to date. Until now, I've mainly worked with Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and Google Chat.
There's usually a private channel that is only there for your team and where you can discuss internal matters that may not concern everyone. Then there are channels for specific projects or topics, such as training, product features, or the famous fun channel that you will definitely find in any tech company. You can also start individual or group chats to exchange ideas with your colleagues.
Since I usually work remotely and communicate with stakeholders from many countries, video and audio calls are also at the top of my list.
The integration with Microsoft Outlook is especially helpful for efficiently scheduling and managing meetings. Additionally, there are a ton of plugins available for Slack or Microsoft Teams that boost productivity and streamline workflows. These include integrations like Microsoft 365 with PowerPoint, Excel, and Word, the ticketing systems Jira and Asana, or the version control system GitHub. You can also find tools like the survey tool Poly, a Zoom integration, or Microsoft Planner, which helps you to create and track to-do lists easily.
Another essential tool category are editors and IDEs. This stands for Integrated Development Environment. These are the tools you will use daily to write your code as a developer.
Editors and IDEs form the core of development work, providing the ability to write, edit, and test code efficiently with features like syntax highlighting, auto-completion, error detection, and debugging tools. Personally, I recommend Visual Studio Code, as it's free, has a very beginner-friendly interface, and offers a wide range of useful extensions like Prettier for formatting or Live Server to see your website in real time.
I will link to a video where we show you how you can easily install Visual Studio Code on your device. There are also many other editors and IDEs out there like IntelliJ IDEA or PyCharm, depending on your use case and the programming language which you use. If you enjoyed this video so far, please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more programming videos. Equally important are task management and project management tools, which also I use on a daily basis. These are crucial for organizing, planning and tracking tasks, user stories and bugs, and for supporting team collaboration. So far, I've mainly worked with Jira.
It's a powerful project management and issue tracking tool, especially used in software development and IT teams. In Jira, I create tickets for developers and agencies, assign them to the right people and prioritize them in my backlog. You can also plan sprints, track project progress, manage releases, and create roadmaps to keep an overview of larger milestones. Especially helpful are also quick filters and JQL, Jira Query Language. They let you easily create custom filters to show exactly the tickets that are relevant to you. Here's an example of a custom query I often use. Assignee equals current user and status equals to do. Show all tasks assigned to me that have the status to do.
In addition to Jira, also Asana is a very well-known task management and project management tool
that works especially well for less complex projects.
Now the final point on our list. You have probably already heard of version control systems. Without them, teams wouldn't be able to collaborate on coding tasks efficiently, track changes, and manage code securely.
Git is the underlying version control system that powers the other platforms. It provides the basic features for managing version history, branching, and merging. GitHub is particularly well known for open source projects and offers powerful features for code reviews and collaboration. GitLab, on the other hand, is a full-fledged DevOps platform that enables CI/CD, automated testing, and continuous deployment. Bitbucket is ideal for teams that work with other Atlassian products like Jira and Trello.
If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more programming related content. Also, let me know in the comments which tools you as a programmer use on a daily basis. Maybe there are some which did not make it onto our list.